Hello friends, welcome to Maths Nerd.
Let's solve some interesting though hard and tricky maths puzzles and riddles. So, our first question says that what is the smallest natural number which is 7 times the sum of its digits? So, you can pause the video and think about this number. So, let's see how we can find the answer. Now, if you have found the answer by brute force, that's great, but let's see how we can compute it algebraically. So, the only multiple of 7 which is a single digit number is 7, and 7 times 7 is 49. So our number is definitely a 2-digit number. So all 2-digit numbers can be represented in the form of 10a plus b, where a is the tens digit and b is the units digit. Like if we want to represent 31, then we can take a as 3 and b as 1. So we'll have 10 into 3 30 plus 1 31. So now we are given that 10a plus b, that is the number, is equal to 7 times the sum of its digits. So it is 7 times a plus b. And then we can write it as 10a plus b is equal to 7a plus 7b. Now we'll subtract 7a from both sides and b from both sides. So we will get 10a minus 7a is equal to 7b minus b. So 3a is equal to 6b, or a is equal to 2b when we divide both sides by 3. So we need a number whose tens digit is twice the units digit. So to get the smallest such number, it can be only 21. So the number is 21, as 2 plus 1 is 3 into 7 is 21. Let's see one more riddle. A man has 25 blue socks, 30 red socks, 40 yellow socks, and 35 black socks in his drawer. How many socks must he pull out to be certain that he has at least one matching pair? So this means that he is in the dark and he cannot see which color he is pulling out, and he wants to make sure that he has at least one pair of socks, one matching pair of socks which he can wear. And this riddle is very easy. He should pull out only 5 socks. And if the number would have been different, for example 100 blue socks, 3 red socks, 35 yellow socks, and 1,000 black socks, still the number would be 5 socks. Let's see why. By the worst probability, if his first 4 socks are blue, red, yellow, and black, he is sure to get any one of these 4 in his 5th sock. So he will make a pair of that sock. Now let's see one more riddle. There are 8 boys. If each boy shakes hand with every other boy, how many handshakes are there in all? This question appears easy, but let's see what is the answer. Now if you found that the answer is 64, then you're absolutely wrong. Because if there are 8 boys, then the first boy will shake hands with the remaining 7 boys. The second boy will shake hands with the remaining 6 boys and will not shake hands with the first boy, as the first boy has already shook hands with him before. Then the third boy will shake hands with the remaining 5 boys, the fourth will shake hands with the remaining 4, the three will shake hands with the fifth will shake hands with remaining 3, the sixth will shake hands with remaining 2, the seventh will shake hands with the only boy remaining, and the eighth boy will not shake hands because everyone has already shook hands with him. So we have 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, and that is 28. So there are 28 handshakes in all. A woodcutter cuts a log of wood into 3 pieces in 12 minutes. Find the time taken by him to cut the log in 5 pieces. And this riddle appears the easiest of all, though it can trick 98% of the people solving it. So I'm hoping that you have gave it a try, and if your answer is 20 minutes, that is 12 divided by 3 multiplied by 5, then you are wrong. Because when you cut a piece of wood into 3 pieces, you actually make 2 cuts. So the time taken by the woodcutter to cut the wood into 3 pieces is the time taken by him to make 2 cuts. And similarly, to cut the same log of wood into 5 pieces, you will require 4 cuts. And so time taken for 2 cuts is 12 minutes. Time required for 1 cut is 6 minutes. Time required for 4 cuts is 4 into 6 minutes. That is 24 minutes. So the woodcutter takes 24 minutes to cut the log in 5 pieces. Now let's see one last riddle. Find 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 20 plus 1 upon 200 plus 1 upon 2000 till infinity. That is, in every term, the denominator is the zeros in the denominators are increasing one by one. So, is there any answer for this? Because if it is an infinite series, how do I expect you to solve it? But there is a very logical and simple way to solve this. Let's see how. 1 upon 2 is nothing but 1 divided by 2, that is 0.5. 1 upon 20 is 0.005. 1 upon 200 is 1 divided by 200, that is 0.005. And 1 upon 2000 is 0.0005. So we have 0.5 plus 0.05 plus 0.005 plus 0.0005, and this continues till infinity. So as you might have noticed that we have exactly 1 5 for the 10th digit, 1 5 for the 100th digit, 1 5 for the 1000th digit, and so on. So we will have 0.5555 endless, or simply 0.5 with a bar over it that represents that there are infinite fives. Now, to find what is this 0.555 endless, we'll take x is equal to 0.5 and 0.5 endless. So 10x will be 5.555 endless. That is, shifting the decimal point 1 places to the right wouldn't change the number of 5s after the decimal point, since they are infinite. Now we will subtract 10x minus x, that is 5.5 endless minus 0.5 endless. So all these infinite 5s will cancel out this infinite 5s, and we will be left with 5 minus 0, or 5. So 9x is equal to 5 and x is equal to 5 upon 9. So 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 20 plus 1 upon 200 plus 1 upon 2000, and this series continued till infinity will give us the answer 5 upon 9.
Feel free to ask your doubts in the comments. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos.